Hi guys, welcome to the channel. What is code debugging? Suppose your code is not working expectedly. It means it has a bug. So the process of locating bug in the buggy code is called debugging at runtime. So what are the advantages of code debugging? One, you can quickly fix the code. Second, you can also complete all the edge scenarios in the debugging mode only in the single time by passing different values, okay, at runtime. I have already sample program ready. In this program we will draw conclusion based on the inputs percentages. If user input 20 percentage, then output should be candidate has got less than 35 percentage. If user input 60%, then output should be candidate has got more than 65%. Alright, let's run the code. Right click, run as Java application. See, code is breaking. It is saying unexpected value fail. Okay, now let's debug the code. First, set the breakpoint by double clicking and run the Java application in debug mode and wait until the execution stops. Now execution is stopped. Go inside draw conclusion by pressing F5. Now execute line number 48, okay, by pressing F6. See what is present in result. Now it is present fail. Okay, now execute line number 49, F6. Oh, 49th number line is not successfully executed. What is the issue? Hover on E. See, there is an issue, unexpected value fail. Why this has come? Let's debug it. Now to start doing that, first on draw conclusion function we need to do drop to frame. Right click on the draw conclusion and do drop to frame. Now the control is at 48th line. Now do the same process. Press 6. Go inside get conclusion, F5, and see what is there in result. In result, fail is there. You can see this result value here as well, fail. Okay, so in this function we have simply created a switch case. Okay, so case for fail is in our case is not present. Okay, it is actually commented. So let's that is why condition is not meeting and it is going in default block. Now see, F6, it is going here. We have to fix it. Now what we can do, we can write some code here. I'm just uncommenting it. I have already written. Okay, and doing Control A and save. Now you see the control of execution has gone on 9 on line number 28. Now condition for fail is also present. Now F6. Now it is present and it will meet the expectation. Okay, so press F6 and see conclusion is printing on the machine and we have fixed one part of code. By pressing F8, I have continued the execution and it is stopped. Now do this practice one more time. Okay, now it is a debugger console. Okay, I am directly running the test case from here and doing the relaunch. Okay, wait until the breakpoint is coming. Okay, go inside the function by pressing F5. Okay, and here percentage value is 20. Okay, now let's go into get division F5 to analyze this function more. Okay, so if you're pressing 20, it is going to fail, but if you suppose press 50, so what will happen? You, now percentage value is 50, you can do it at 6. See, the second division is coming. Now let's say we put 80. Okay, in percentage, this is the percentage input, we are putting 80 here. Okay, we have changed the input value. Now doing drop to frame. Okay, F6, it is going to meet and first division will come. Perfect. Now suppose we want to do one negative testing, means percentages are not valid above 100%, right? So if suppose we pass 101 value, let's see what happens. Drop to frame. Have 6. See, first division is coming, but 100%, 101 is not valid value. So what will happen? We have some problem in code that we need to fix. So what is that? We need to create one more block, if block. Okay, where if percentage is greater than 100, then it should return more than 100. So I'm just uncommenting it. Already I've written it by control slash. Okay, and see, I have edited the code, right? See, star button is coming. Now I have to control A and S. Automatically control is going up. I have to do F6. See, now the condition is meeting more than 100%. Now everything is fine. Now execute it. So conclusion is now more than 100%. Now let's do it. Now let's evaluate this function, demo function dot get conclusion. To evaluate that, shift alt left key and control shift I. See, when you evaluate it, it is throwing an exception. So let's go inside this function. What is there inside? Go F5. Okay, and let's do 6. Why it is throwing exception? Because in result we have more than 100%, and there is no case for more than 100%. That is why it is throwing exception. So let's do uncomment it. Okay, and now do F6. See, it will return this value. So in conclusion, this is also fixed. Now let's re-evaluate this function, demo function dot get conclusion. How we will re-evaluate? Shift alt, okay, control shift I. See, invalid percentage enter between 0 to 100. This is the conclusion it is coming. So now we have fixed again the get conclusion method, and now execute the line number 14th 49th by pressing F6. Now conclusion is this, and you can see the conclusion here also. Okay, and just press F8 to complete the execution. So everything is now fixed. Now let's execute the code one more time. Okay, right click, relaunch. Code has come to the breakpoint. Press F6. After pressing F6, everything is executed fine. That is why this message candidate got marks below 35%, 4% 20 is coming. That's it, guys. Thank you for this video.